Hey guys, so I'm out here today at Fern Ridge testing out my little drone that I've had for quite a while. It's just been sitting in my office, so I decided to take it out and fly it around and just give it a shot. I mean, it's not a Mavic Pro by any means, but it does fly around and it shoots in 720p, not the greatest quality as you can see here. It's a little bit shaky, it's real small and hard to control, so any little breeze really sets it off and makes it difficult to control and get any sort of steady footage. I just wanted to kind of play around with it and see what it could actually do. It's not the worst. I mean, I can make it work. As you can see in some of the shots here, it's pretty shaky, and you can just see me flying all over the place trying to keep it in a straight line. Not really any advanced flight control features. It's all just joystick, kind of hover at your own ability controlling. Here we are in my house kind of flying around just a little bit to practice. But anyways, I'm hoping to include some shots from this drone into my future videos. So keep your eye posted for them and enjoy the rest of the film. There's some good crash footage towards the end, so stay posted for that. Thanks, guys.